I'm going to show you a very quick technique, and then at the end, listen to how you can enter into a graphic design challenge on my channel to maybe win some free vectors. Now, I saw a design on Pinterest, and I thought it'd be really fun to use an Illustrator technique to achieve a similar style, but also to send it out to you guys as a kind of a challenge. More about the challenge later, but firstly I'm going to quickly show you the technique itself. To demonstrate, I made a super quick poster design, and the font that I'm using here is Erlon. The function can be found under Object, Envelope and Distort, and then use the Make with Mesh option. In the box that appears, you can choose how many rows and how many columns you want to use the mesh with. Also, click the preview box to see beforehand how the outcome is going to appear. So I personally am going to go for a 2:3 split on my mesh. So now it's just a case of pressing A for the direct selection tool, and then clicking to move the anchor points of the mesh around on the design. You will need to double click each point before moving it, and also, just as with the pen tool, you have these handles that will determine the curvature of the mesh effect. They can also be stretched out to stretch your type too. Now, this technique might take some getting used to, and it will require some patience to get the desired effect that you want. But do have some fun with it, and if you do want a chance to win some free vectors, be sure to make your very own design using this technique, and then post it on Twitter and tag my account in that post. My Twitter account is linked down in the description box below of today's video. I will personally pick 2 winners, and you have until Friday the 19th of April to enter. But for my poster, I spent a very little amount of time on it, but I did utilize the mesh technique to make the 2019 section look kind of folded along a seam, and also coming away and out of the main line of text. You don't have to apply this technique to text, you can use it on shapes or anything you want in Adobe Illustrator. And I'm looking forward to seeing your designs, so be sure to tag me on your post on Twitter. There's more info down in the description box below about the challenge, but until next time guys, design your future today. Peace.